guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. I got sent a random box from Japan by the company YumeTwins. So it's basically by a company, Tokyo Treats, and they send you monthly boxes from Japan that you have no idea what's inside, so I'm super excited. I love like Asian culture and stuff. I literally just took Asian theater. Like I love it. Really want to go to Tokyo one day, so this is super, super cool. I'm really excited. Also, I do have a code for you guys. It will be in the link below. So if you do want to purchase your own box, a bunch of Japanese stationery, toys, squishies, and that kind of thing. So if you do want your own, the link will be down below. Already, like, look at this box. This is so, so cute. I'm so excited. Let's open this box. Oh my god. There's so much color going on. Konnichiwa, hi. Pool party. Oh my god, there's so much going on right now. Oh my god. I also grew up just loving Hello Kitty, so that is super cool. And I love squishies. I don't think there's a squishy in here though, sadly, but they do send squishies. I just got a random box with random stuff. Oh, and then they tell you everything about what's inside your box. Everything. KIRBY is here to save the day. This KIRBY inflatable ball is the perfect item to bring to your pool party. Have fun passing him around in the pool or use the rubber band to bounce him up and down. Have you played any KIRBY games before? I actually have. I love KIRBY. I used to play this KIRBY video game on Nintendo 3DS. I do not even remember what it's called because I think there are like a million KIRBY games. But basically, I played KIRBY a lot. This is so cool. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I definitely want to. Do I want to inflate this now? I kind of do. I want to inflate this now. This is it. Oh my god, one foot is like behind the other one. That's so cute. I don't know if you can do that. That's actually kind of fun, not gonna lie. Oh, and they have a place to put your finger in. This is very addicting. I would have fun at a pool party doing that. That's so cool. That's so, they're so smart for making that. And then there's this little fan. It says things in Japanese. Obviously, I would not understand. Okay, so you could put it like around yourself. Up. Queen just works. It's called fashion. Nice for the summer though. By the pool you could just be like, nice. It takes no battery, so you don't have to worry about it running out of power. It has actually really cool air, like it's cold air. So I got the red one. It did have an option for a green one, but I got the red one. Cute, very lovely. I love it. It's actually cool because it gives cool air, not like the warm air in the room. It gives actually cold air. So that is super, super cool. This is one of them. It's so cute. Love these little knickknacks. And then I got this little Sailor Moon jar. Let's see. Moon Prism Power Make. This month you'll be receiving the super kawaii Sailor Moon jar. It's perfect for storing hair accessories, cosmetics, or candies. Comes in either pink or purple. I got the purple one. So let's see her. Here it is. Let me take it out. My sister actually grew up with Sailor Moon, so she loves Sailor Moon so much. Here it is. It's just this adorable little crystal-y container with Sailor Moon all over the place. Very cute. I'll definitely take it to my college town, and I don't know what I'll keep in there. Probably candies? I think candies. I think I'm gonna keep candies in here. But yeah, very, very cute. It glistens a lot. I love that. You could also keep cotton rounds, Q-tips in here. Maybe I'll put it in the bathroom. But this is just the July lineup. Like every month it changes. So here is Gudetama sticky notes. Gudetama sticky notes. I know my roommate loves this brand, like the one with the eggs. I'm so gonna use this one. I'm in college studying. This is so cute. Oh, the little eggs. I'll open her up. Why not? Very cute. Yeah, so these are a bunch of different types of sticky notes. We'll definitely be using. That's always very useful. Then we got this kawaii character pouch. So they come with a bunch of different ones and they just send you a random one. So I got this little pink blue one. This one's part of the Rilakuma So I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing everything wrong. But look at this little pouch. So cute. This is really cute for like a little, I would put like hair ties in here for sure. And it feels really nice. Very cute. Me with everything, like this is so cute, I love it. So cute. And last but not least is the keychain and strap. So this cutesy keychain has two types of straps, one for your bag or keys and one for your phone if you want to attach it how you like. I actually really like this character. I think he's super cute. A little bummed I didn't get anything Hello Kitty or squishies, but it's okay. These are all really cute things too. So let me take it out of the packaging. I'm definitely going to attach these to my keys 100%. I love attaching things to my keys. Here it is. This is the cute little keychain. So it just has this like little chocolate strawberry thing. And this little cute character, I'm truly a sucker for keychains, to be honest. I think this is adorable. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. My link will be down below if you want your own little monthly box. So freaking cute, right? Alright guys, bye. See you soon. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. And let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, literally everything is very girly, so come through. Today we're going to be doing a bikini try-on haul. So summer, so sick. So this is kind of like a try-on haul lookbook-esque video, and this is actually by KEYCHAIN. KEYCHAIN actually sent me a couple bikinis that I'm so excited to try out for y'all. They're gonna look so cute. I'm